So whenever I go ahead and create out a task right here, then what happens is that I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, assign a particular time to it. So I can say something like 3 p.m. right here, 3:00 p.m. and then this is what you have. By default, you can see that the duration for the task is 15 minutes. I can also go ahead and select 45 minutes or 1 hour from the time range that I see right here. If you want to set up a custom time, you can of course go around and type in a time right here, just like this as well. Or you can simply go around and click right here and choose the exact amount of time that you need. For example, checking emails, let's say I don't need any hours, but I need around 10 minutes or even 11. So you can be very specific right here, just like this, and it'll set out the time, and then you can create out a task accordingly right here. So you want to go ahead and change the time, then you can simply go ahead and change this out to, let's say, 12 minutes exactly as well, just like this as well. And then that is how the time can be set. The duration for the particular task can be set in structure just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.